Welcome to Wonder Tales. Hi, kids. Welcome to our super fun transportation adventure. Today, we're going to explore all kinds of amazing vehicles that help us get from place to place. Are you ready to zoom, vroom, and splash? Let's go. First up, we have the airplane. It zooms high above the clouds, taking people to far-off places. Look at it soar. Next, let's pedal over to the bicycle. It's perfect for a fun ride around the park. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Beep, beep. Here comes the car. It helps us travel to school, the store, and even on adventures. Where would you go in a car? Look at that big, strong dump truck. It carries heavy loads to help build roads and buildings. What a helpful truck! Digging deep is the excavator. Its big arm and bucket make it perfect for moving dirt and building new things. Woo woo! Here comes the fire truck. It rushes to put out fires and help people in emergencies. Let's cheer for our brave firefighters. Whir! It's the helicopter. It can fly straight up and down and is great for rescues and flying over cities. Ding ding! It's the ice cream truck. It brings delicious treats on hot summer days. What flavor would you choose? Splash! The jet ski is speeding across the water. It's perfect for fun and adventure on the waves. Paddle, paddle. This is the kayak. It's great for a peaceful trip on rivers and lakes. Ready for a paddle? Wasn't that fun? We've learned about so many amazing vehicles today. Thanks for joining our transportation adventure. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.